3, 2, 1. Intro. Take 2 since we messed the first one up. Guys. All right, bro.
Oh, okay.
2025 has been an awesome year for us here at AT3 Tactical. I joined the team in April, and CJ and I have been cranking out videos this year, which has been super fun, and we've learned a ton of cool stuff throughout the year.
Yeah, guys, this has been an awesome year of growth for us. We've had more than 55,000 new subscribers to the channel. We are so thankful for each and every one of you who subscribed, and we're gonna keep it going, guys, through next year. But to celebrate the end of this year, we wanted to do a little celebration because we make a lot of mistakes around here, guys. Isn't that right, Josh?
Yeah, there's more than a few times where we have to cut the camera and start over on a take because we say something that is just wrong or incorrect.
Absolutely.
But we'll let you be the judge of that.
I run quad whales. Me, man. Me, man. Eat meat. Conquer land. Leave that in the video. Okay, try to read it from here. Let's start when you... your AR-15's upper receiver? I'll talk more like a human, not like an operatic singer. It's an absolute something that they stand by. What am I saying?
We're going deep. We're going deep. Not we're doing a deep dive. Because it said deep dive, and I was like, we're not saying deep dive at all. It's not going to happen. That was apparently fucking. It's still like going just a little too slow.
What is that? I've never heard that notification before. Oh, someone rang my doorbell. Well, I don't have time for that. It's kind of cool. Wonder who that could be. I didn't get a package yet. Okay. Simply loop these through your sling and then bam, you have a QB compatible sling for under 30 bananas when you pair it with the sling itself. Let me read that again.
Yeah, did you see QB?
QB, I might have. Through the swivels and boom, you have a QD compatible. Oh man, see, I said it the right way, and then I thought, oh, I said it the wrong way. If you're a real cutie simp like me, that'd be funny.
Most folks think handguards are just for their freaking son of a gun.
The caveman answer, answer?
What the fuck did I write?
That's exactly what I thought, like then the full auto war footage comes on, and then our second strike.
Most folks thinks handle system is also as we were so good.
Sure, you can learn to shoot one well, but if it's actively fighting you every step of the way, it could be starting to hold you back. It could be starting to hold you back. Is that the right way to say that? Jams, oh, here we go. Thought that was a name. Thought it's supposed to say James. James? James? Who's James?
When you're done fucking around with the camera, this is CJ's fault.
My fault.
All right, you ready? I just trip once and then it's like, it's all downhill from there.
15, Evolution 15s, the Army scrammed. Everyone's like, this is the original one. No, this one. No, the one Stoner made in his basement.
To run this effectively,
things that I can't have because I have an AR pistol, but that's gonna change on the first of the year. I'm gonna submit my form, get it approved, and put a stock on my gun the first of the year. Foregrip and suppressor and stock.
Quickly making a name for itself in the states where the straight-walled cartridges or the words are too long and I'm getting one word a line. So let me go back to...
The forward assist is you giving that door an extra nudge to make sure it's locked in place. That's a really good real-world thing there. That's a good teaching moment. I like that. Anyway.
All right, here we go. Let's get started by fucking with the camera for 3 minutes straight.
Let me say this whole thing better than what I wrote.
Yeah, is it Riz2 or RIS2?
No way
Do I say Riz or do I say RIS2?
Well, Riz is it's R-I-Z anyway.
You're so Gen Z.
Riz is not.
I think it is. I think you say Riz2.
Hey guys, Joe Marler from Danger Defense, and today we're going to show you how to install the Riz2 rail system.
I knew it! Okay. That's a comma, not a period, Josh. Interference.
Okay, almost done. Section 2, hockey tape. Which I don't have, but I'll pretend this is hockey tape. How about?
I need a word that's not sugarcoat. I'm saying it all the time. It's my new guise.
One more time. Well, guys, if you made it to the end of the video, thanks for that, first of all. But guys, we hope you stick around through next year and beyond because we got tons of stuff planned for you. We're gonna keep doing gear breakdowns, parts reviews, build videos. We got a new studio being cooked up behind the camera over here that we're excited about. Guys, we're just gonna keep it rolling through 2026, isn't that right, Jack?
Yeah, 2026 is going to be a pretty big year for us as well. Like CJ said, we've got the new studio, so we're going to have some new sets coming up. You guys might have noticed, but we've been in a temporary set for the last couple of months. And we've also got SHOT Show coming up in January, so I'll be blogging, vlogging, whatever. I'll be filming video while we're there at SHOT Show, and it should be a really good time. And on top of that, in 2026, we're going to be doubling down on our podcast over on the AT3 Tactical Armory channel. So if you're not already subscribed to that channel, go give it a look.
Yep. See you guys. We love each and every one of you. We'll see you in 2026.
Oh, we hope you had a Merry Christmas too.
That too. Happy New Year.